This video is about the installation of the Tickmill CQG Mercury edition. When you have downloaded the setup file, just press the icon, press the next button, just install it on the default folder. If you get this pop-up, just confirm with yes. Please check the checkbox to agree the license terms and conditions. Install. Close. Now the AgenaTrader installation continues. When installation is finished, please press the Finish button. When AgenaTrader starts, it walks you through the splash screen. This will take a while. Now, the setup procedure asks you if you are a new user or if you own an AgenaTrader license. Since you have got a license from Tickmill, you confirm this radio button and press Next. Here, please enter the license key which you have got from Tickmill and press the Activate button. So as you see, the license has been activated on the license server. You don't need to enter the Lens & Partner data feed or the Traders Yard social network. This is not necessary in the first moment, but please check these checkboxes that you have read and fully understood the privacy policy and the terms and conditions. Then please press the Agreed button. Now Agena enters the default workspace. Here you see their terms and conditions. Please read them carefully and press the Accept button. If you have Traders Yard credentials, please enter them now. If you don't have, you can also cancel this pop-up. Yes, no, and now you can establish the CQG Tickmill connectivity. For that, you select Connections, Add New Account. Please press the Add button. Select CQG Tickmill and also assign a name. Or any other if you want. Please press the Next button. Here you need to enter your credentials you have got from Tickmill. First the login, then the password. If it's a Timo account, you can just leave it as it is. If it's a real account, please select Real. Here you can enter the account currency. Just press the Next button here. Please select Tickmill as your broker and press Finish. Please read the disclaimer carefully and press the Accept button. Yes. Now the CQG mappings are imported. from our server. As you see here, the Tickmill CQG connectivity has been set up. Please press OK. Here you can select the Tickmill CQG workspace. If you press OK, the system changes the workspace to the Tickmill CQG workspace. As you see here, the system is already connecting. And now you are fully connected. Here are the microfutures, softs, the grains, meats, energies, the currencies, the financials, the indices, and here is the full list of all futures which can be traded with CQG Tickmill. So many thanks for your attention.